Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Hercules, local, and long distance movers near me. If you're looking to take the anxiety and stress out of your move, our confident movers make your long distance move much simpler. Hiring our crew to assist you means your cross country move is going to go smoothly. By using the right moving services to assist you, any relocation, small or large, becomes so much simpler. We handle all the necessary moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might not be very easy to rationalize the cost of hiring a California moving company. However, after a close look at the major perks of hiring a local moving company, you are going to likely find that it's well worth it. Any good moving company will definitely help you save time on your local move. Movers can also ensure that you don't have to worry about injury since you won't have to do any heavy lifting. With our experienced movers, you receive a very efficient move from start to finish. You never have to worry about devoting multiple days dealing with your move when you select 3 movers to help. Moving locally can be very quick, and our team can handle even a large move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Hercules moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.